The government has declared the swine flu to be a national emergency, allowing hospitals and clinics to get around some federal regulations. It's also pushing for people to get vaccinated no matter how long it takes. Production of the swine flu vaccine hasn't kept up with demand. Long lines have become the norm throughout the country. Even high priority groups such as pregnant women and people with chronic conditions are waiting for hours.
I know it's frustrating to wait in line, and particularly if you end up with no vaccine. Talk to your local health official, go on the website, get information at the local level, and come back.
On the heels of President Obama's declaration, one area hospital took some additional action to stop the spread of H1N1. Our Tori Brunetti is live at Kootenai Medical Center, and Tori, they changed their visitor policy again.
Yeah, starting today, no one under the age of 18 is allowed to visit anybody staying at the hospital. They're not allowed in any patient areas. The hospital did this for a couple of reasons. Number one, kids and teens are considered to be high risk for H1N1, making them potential carriers of the virus. And number two, the hospital felt more needed to be done to protect their patients and to stop the spread of the swine flu.
Overall, our policy is no one under 18.
Jane Mosley is the Assistant Vice President of Nursing at KMC, and she says it was a difficult decision to not allow anybody under 18, not someone's child, not a brother or sister, to visit people in the hospital.
Families and visitors are very important in keeping people's spirits up, and keeping your spirits up is important to healing.
But hospital officials had to ask themselves if the risk was greater than the benefit, and they have seen more and more people all over the hospital come down with H1N1.
We believe our first responsibility is to the health of our patients here in the hospital.
The stricter policy won't be easy for some people to accept.
11, 9, 7, 5, and a year and a half.
Those are the ages of Jacob and Joanne Isaacson's 5 children.
I'm a stay-at-home mom, and my kids are my life, and I'm their life.
Today, Joanne is being admitted for a short stay. She won't have to spend the night, but if she did, she would want to see her kids.
If I need my child to be there, I want my child to be there. And if my child wears a mask, then I don't think there's any problem.
Given extreme circumstances, the hospital will make exceptions. But overall, if you're under 18, the only place you're allowed to be is in the cafeteria or waiting room. And that will be KMC's policy until the flu threat decreases considerably.
No crystal balls, but we do not think that we've seen the worst of things.
And now Kootenai Medical Center has one of the strictest visitor policies in the area. Sacred Heart has also tightened up restrictions on their visitor policy, but their restrictions only apply to patients considered to be high risk. Live in North Idaho, Tori Brunetti, KXLY4 HD News.